Welcome to Best Car Fixes 2013 BMW X6 or? Huh?
Yes.
We are using Hexaproc. Just the battery was disconnected after a service, and no power windows, no signals, no lights. Everything is messed up. So this piece here, we're gonna use Hexaproc, and we'll try to see if we can reset this one to go back to the same place before. I have the thing here working. You're gonna follow my hand. Here, don't touch here. Here is buttons. Okay, follow my hand, and so we're gonna come here in this place. Let me do this one because I gotta go near it. I gotta go to bench. Then you go BMW, FRM Module, FRM3. Now here is a platform. I'm gonna open the wiring.
Moment, I'm coming back now.
No, you don't go nowhere. You're gonna wait.
No, I've double parked and the car outside.
Get a parking there on the right side. Okay, now here we have the place, and here is the wiring. So I'm gonna try to connect the blue, red, and those are the wires. I'm gonna start by the red and yellow. Hold this one. I'm gonna start by the red wire. This is the red. The last one here. Okay. If not, you can make it more. Now the next one is the yellow. If not, we can get a. This should be good. You can use something like that. Now, where is the next one? Black. If it's no good, we have to look for other solution. Okay. Blue. This is no good. If you take it, okay. If it's not, we're gonna try one more. Okay. me see now. I come here. I'm gonna read. It doesn't want to work because no power here. So give me this one here. Okay. Read again. You see here, this is the problem. Partition error. You cannot read the EEPROM. So I'm gonna go back to flash. I will read the flash. If I'm able to read the flash, that means we are good. You see now, the flash is readable. So we're gonna read the flash, and then after that we're gonna fix the flash. We're gonna, through the flash, we will command repair, and that will fix the problem for this. We're gonna wait a little bit. This is when all the lights doesn't work, power window doesn't work, sunroof. Through this we're gonna fix the EEPROM. Okay, after it's finished, you see now I'm able to read the EEPROM. This is the information of the car. Now I will go here. Look here, in this I click repair one time and wait. What does it say? This function will fix the EEPROM. Say repair, click here one time and leave it. Don't click 2 times. As soon as you click it, you're gonna wait. 1, 2, 3. Yes. You say EEPROM data is repaired. On the back, you're gonna see the VIN number of the car. See here, everything fixed. Don't do it 2 times. Now we're gonna come back here, close this, come out of the FRM, because now I'm gonna try to read this one again, which is EEPROM. If everything is okay, we'll read. If it doesn't read, disconnect. You see now, he read the EEPROM. That means this module here is fixed. What we're gonna do next, I'm gonna close this. Close this. I have something here. Close it. Open folder. I'm gonna leave this folder here. Okay, show more option. Rename. FRM Repair. It's done. And here we're gonna disconnect it. I'm gonna hold this. Take one at a time. This one here. I don't know what happened to my system. The solder is not working fine, but I'll work on it now. Case close. The cover. We're gonna put it back. If your battery is weak, okay, if the battery is weak or you disconnect the battery, this can happen. Now we are good to go. So we're gonna put it in the car. I'm gonna show you where the car is. And we come back. Here is the car. This is X. Ask me, Mr. Lou, if he's there.
What's up, man? You don't need an assistant, man?
No, not assistant.
Got a lot going on, I see, man. You don't need no help around here?
They are there, but they went to help someone.
No, I mean, me, help you.
Sure, why not? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is a car that's giving us this problem. Nothing is working. Now it's going to be fixed.